Fill it, so a full cup.
Thank you, elves.
So just pause it. Right, now pour that in the bowl. And then now you need a cup of the shaving foam. Need help?
Yeah.
Not every day.
With most of the day.
Right, go and throw that in.
Okay, and then we need to scoop it out.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we mix.
Yeah.
Can I use my hand? That's what she did.
If you really want to.
It's already getting cold. Like the video said. This is epic. Isn't it getting cold?
It actually does look like snow.
I told you it would work. Best day ever. We're gonna have snowballs. Not exactly snowballs, but this will work.
You could build a snowman.
Oh yeah. Wait, is it done?
Yeah, I think that's your snow ready. You just play with it now.
Woo! Wait, let's let it snow.
Well done.
It's snowing! Woo! This is epic. Smells so weird though. We can make snow food. Where's Dad?
It's 10 AM, so he's probably nearly here. He'll be here soon.
Okay, this is epic. Yes.
Build a snowman, you can show it to him.
Okay.
Ah. You want to build a snowman?
It doesn't have to be a snowman. Hey, I made the head already.
Well done.
Which is so hard. Okay, now we need the middle piece.
Pack it all tightly together.
The snow isn't very thick like us.
Do you want to put a bit more in?
Yeah, I'm gonna have
Let it snow. Let it snow.
Cold never bothered me anyway. Let the storm rage on. Feel how cold it's actually getting. Oh, it's giving me frostbite. No, stick your hand in it, I dare you.
Oh, it is cold.